I'm going to find the floor value of 7.6 and the ceiling value of 7.6. So what I'll do, I'll click on the return key and then go to my live editor here and then click on code. For the floor value of 7.6, we type in floor. Then open parenthesis, we are saying the floor value of 7.6. Then go on and run. Then we have the floor value of 7.6 is equals to 7. The floor value is the greatest integer that does not exceed x. And then I go on and click on the return key. And then now go on to the second question, the ceiling value of 7.6. So for the ceiling, it's ceil, open parenthesis, 7.6. And then go on and run. So the ceiling value of 7.6 is an 8. When you are looking at the ceiling value, it's the smallest integer that is not less than the given number. And then I'll go on to the next one here, rounding 7.6 to the nearest integer. So I'll click on the return key there, and then I'll type in round. So this is the command for rounding. So round 7.6. So what this command does is it rounds that number there to the nearest integer, and the result that you get there is an 8. And then I go on to the next question, finding the floor values of these numbers 1.2, minus 1.2, 5.4, and 0.8. So I'll just use one command there. So it's floor, open parenthesis, and then I enter these numbers as an array. So as an array, I open brackets there. So it's 1.2, then minus 1.2, and then 5.4, and then 0.8. So with just this single command here, I can get the floor values of all those numbers. So I can go on and run. And we have there, and the floor values are 1, minus 2, 5, 0. So the first one is corresponding to the floor value of 1.2. And the second one is corresponding to the floor value of minus 1.2. And the 5 is corresponding to the floor value of 5.4. And the 0 is corresponding to the floor value of 0.8. So that's our solution there.